Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and this video is all about matrices. In our previous video we have just covered up the operations on matrices, that were addition, subtraction and the transpose, and this is in the continuation of that video. And in this video we are going to cover two basic operations on matrices, that are scalar multiplication or multiplication. So friends, scalar multiplication mean when you have to multiply your matrix with a number, with a constant, with a number. So let's take an example to understand it. We have a matrix A which have elements 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm taking random numbers. And here we have to find the 3A. That means we have to multiply our matrix with the number 3. For this case, we have to multiply our matrix with the number. For this we have to write the number and the whole matrix. And in next step, we have to multiply this number with each number in our matrix. So here it becomes 3 multiplied by 1, then 3 multiplied by 2, then 3 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 4. And in the next step we are going to solve it. So 3 multiplied by 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So this is known to be the scalar multiplication, when you have to multiply the matrix with a single number or a constant. Let's move toward the multiplication. As friends, there were a condition for the addition and subtraction of the matrices. That condition were both the matrices should be of the same order. But for the multiplication of matrices, here is a condition that columns of the first matrix is equal to the rows of the second matrix. That means we can multiply two matrices only if the column of the first matrix is equals to the rows of the second matrix. Here there are a lot of confusion regarding this condition of multiplication, because most of the students are confused among the order of matrix and this condition. They can take it they can take this condition as it's the order of the matrix, but for the order we have the rows first and the columns second. But for the condition of multiplication, there are columns first and rows of the second matrix. So let's understand it with an example. Okay friends, let's take two matrices. Suppose I am taking one matrix, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the second matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. So here let's first check the condition. How many columns are there? There are 2 columns. And how many rows are there? There are 2 rows. So the columns of first matrix is equals to the row of second matrix. That means that is comfortable for multiplication. And if this condition doesn't satisfy, so what happened? Let's take an example. We just add we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. Okay, and let's take this matrix for example. Okay, for multiplication we have to go through the row into column. That means for addition we just go through the elements on the places, because they were both of the same order. But for multiplication we have to multiply the first element of the row to the first element of the column, then to the second element with the second element of the column. And here is 3 left and there is no number. So this condition is applied because we have to go for the row to column multiplication. And here the columns are 3 and the rows are 2, so it is not comfortable for multiplication because this number is left behind. So this is to understand that why this condition of multiplication is important. Now let's just solve and get the procedure of multiplication. So here I have taken two matrices, number 1 matrix A and matrix B, that was the same that I have discussed in the previous example. So for multiplication, we have to first write the name of multiplication with a multiplication symbol, and then have to write the matrices with the multiplication sign. So here is matrix A and the multiplication symbol, and here is matrix B. So here we have to go row to column. So in next step, we have to write the numbers with multiplication symbols. So here is 1, and the first element of the column is 1. So we have to write 1 multiplied by 1. And then here are 2 elements and here are 2 elements, so we have to add them. And here is 2. So we have to write 2, and it's going to be multiplied with the next number, that is 0. Next, we have to go through the same row and the next column. For this, we have to write, here is 1 and here is 0. So here is 1 multiplied by 0, and then we have to add them and second into second number, that is 2 multiplied by 1. Then we have go to the next row. Here is 3 and here is 1. So we have to write 3 multiplied by 1 and plus. The next number is 4 and here is 0. So 4 multiplied by 0. And for those for the other side, we have to write the same row starting point 3. 3 multiplied by 0 and 4 multiplied by plus 4 multiplied by 1. And for last, we have the last row here, and the number is 5. 5 multiplied by the first number, that is 1, and plus 6 multiplied by the next and last number, that is 0. Here 5 multiplied by 0 and 6 multiplied plus 6 multiplied by 1. So we have written all the numbers with their operators. Friends, here is a trick where you can verify that you are going to the right solution. Just go through the column, that is 1, 3, 5, and here is 1 and 0. That means this whole column elements will be multiplied by 1. Here is 1 multiplied by 1, 3 multiplied by 1, and 5 multiplied by 1. Plus the second number is 0. So the second elements 2, 4, 6. Here 2, 4, 6, and these are multiplied by zeros. Similarly, same numbers 1, 3, 5, and the first element, that is 0. 1, 3, 5, and those are multiplied by 0. And similarly 2, 4, 5 is 2, 4, 6, and they are going to be multiplied with the second number, that is 1. So in this case, you can verify that you are going for the right solution, or you are solving your problem, mathematical question rightly. So let's solve this now. As it is the rule of mathematics that we are going to solve the brackets first. So let's solve the brackets first. So here the product of matrix A and B, it becomes, here we have to solve the product first. 1 multiplied by 1 and plus symbol as it is, 2 multiplied by 0, 0. Here 1 multiplied by 0, 0. Plus 2 multiplied by 1, 2. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. Plus 4 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 4 ones are 4. 5 ones are 5. 6 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. And 6 ones are 6. So here we have resolved these brackets, and now we are going to add them, and it is the simplest. Sorry, I have written plus here. So it becomes 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. So it is the product and it is the result of the multiplication of two matrices. And friends, as I have described the types of multiplication, where you can see this matrix is the which one? The identity matrix. So it is like whenever you are going to multiply any matrix with identity matrix, the result is same as the first matrix. Or it is similar like when you multiply a number with 1, you get the same result. Similarly, when you multiply any matrix with the identity matrix, you get the product as the same matrix, first matrix. So hope you can find this video informative, and the ambiguity or confusion regarding the multiplication of matrices has been resolved. And in our next video, we are going towards the adjoint and determinants of matrices. So if you like my video, do share, like and subscribe to my channel. And till then, take good care of yourselves and stay blessed.